PlantRun Energy Monitoring. Save power, energize the future. Why is energy monitoring important? In order to target climate change, we must first understand what energy we are consuming. We can then take measures to reduce our impact on the world. In helping the environment and our future, we are also helping our present selves. With energy prices continuing to rise at a record rate, it is more important than ever to evaluate our energy usage and reduce where possible. Energy monitoring in industry. Whilst electrical power is the most common form of energy monitoring, PlantRun is not limited to just that. It can monitor in real time electricity, fuel, water, gas, emissions, steam, compressed air. With PlantRun Energy Monitoring, data is automatically collected from anywhere around the site, or even from multiple sites. Measurements are updated from the various sources, displayed on a digital status twin and recorded using PlantRun's data recorders. PlantRun's trending functionality provides a chart recorder and analysis capability with real-time and historic trend graphs of any point in time for any duration. PlantRun's real-time alarm monitoring can automatically bring attention to problems before they escalate, or even predict problems before they begin, such as a leaking water pipe or a faulty heating element. The recorded batch data can be based on any period but is usually every half an hour, shift, or day. Reports can be automatically triggered and broadcast to relevant staff through email. The recorded data can include other information, such as costs per asset, per batch, per employee, or utilization. It can also be converted into spreadsheets to allow easy offline manipulation. What else could be done? The data is open, so tools such as Power BI can be employed to provide additional analysis and display capabilities. What would I need to get started? We can provide equipment or just the software. We have used a variety of I/O for different customers, and Prodigy has drivers for thousands of different types. We just need to know what is being used and how many measurements are needed. PlantRun can help you on your energy monitoring journey. If there is a specific area you want to improve, we can help you take the first step. Contact us for more information.